How to get full image while outgoing calls in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Tap on any contact. You can view the contact details over here. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. Then, tap on Edit below the contact photo. After that, tap on Choose a photo as shown. Tap on Photo Library. Select the photo you want from here. Get a preview of the photo and tap on Choose Above. After that, go to the Poster section. Tap on Choose a photo again. Then, tap on Photo Library. Choose the photo that you want and tap on Done. And then, tap on the tick icon above. Choose an avatar from here and tap on the tick icon again. Following these steps, you can easily get full image while outgoing calls in iPhone.